ऑलराइट, तो अभी शुरू करते हैं प्लेयर रेटिंग्स। तो नवल शुरू करते हैं अपना प्लेयर रेटिंग्स।
Yeah, sure.
ओके, तो शुरू करते हैं अपने गोलकीपर से। जैसे हमने कहा, आई थिंक इट्स अ बिट शॉक। आई एक्सपेक्टेड, ऑनेस्टली एक्सपेक्टेड सुब्रता पॉल टू स्टार्ट, क्योंकि जैसे हमने कहा, लाइक ही इज मच मोर कंसिस्टेंट, ही कैन अरेंज द डिफेंस इवन दो he lately, like last few games, he had issues. But I would have still preferred Subrata Paul. लेकिन कटिमनी ने start किया। Second goal, I think he could have done a little bit. First goal, I think maybe not much to do, but maybe he could have arranged the defense a little bit better. But still, I think it was a really good goal for him to really do anything about that. But second goal, I think he could have done much better with that deflection.
Yeah, तो मुझे शॉक तो नहीं लगा था because we talked about it in our playing 11 prediction also कि maybe it is time for manager to replace Subrata with someone and make him feel the pressure. But कटिमनी को देख के मैं सोचा था अरे यार not in this game,
That's
ऐसा लग रहा
exactly,
था मुझे.
yeah. Even I didn't wanted him, like जब मैंने देखा, that was my reaction. Like, not in this game. Like I wanted manager to put some pressure on Paul, but not the way I expected it. Okay,
Yeah, agree.
तो शुरू
I
कर।
think average performance 80 मिनट्स तक तो उनको ज्यादा ट्रबल हुआ ही नहीं. लास्ट 10 मिनट्स में जब उनको प्रॉब्लम हुआ, 2 shots on target,
बिल्कुल।
both goals. First goal, obviously, he can't do very much. He can't do anything about it. But second goal, he could have done better. Yeah.
Yeah,
So overall, we can say average.
yeah. So I'll go with like 6 or 5.5.
5.5.
I think, yeah, 5.5 would be best. As we said, like he could have done few things good. तो अभी शुरू करते हैं अपने राइट बैक से, जो है आशीष राय। गुड परफॉर्मेंस ओवरऑल, रियली गुड असिस्ट, लाइक बहुत बढ़िया बॉल डाला था उन्होंने एरिडाने के लिए। could have
Yeah.
done maybe like little bit better in the first half with his pass also, जब हालीचरण ने run किया था, but overall I think defending, like he took care of what was coming in his way. uh, so yeah, I think overall a good game.
या आशीष भाई डिफेंसिवली बहुत सॉलिड थे. गोइंग फ्रंट स्टार्टिंग में एक दो बार संटाना के बीच में आ गए थे,
Yeah.
है ना. और सेकेंड हाफ में भी एक आध बार फ्रांड के बीच में आ गए थे. तो फॉरवर्ड में जाके थोड़ा मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग हो रहा था उनका.
Mhm.
बट डिफेंसिवली वेरी सॉलिड. आई थिंक विद द असिस्ट इट मेक्स इट अ बेटर परफॉर्मेंस. बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस था. आई वुड से 7 फॉर हिम.
Yeah, I'll go with 7 too. और उनके साथ, लाइक अभी अपने लेफ्ट बैक की तरफ देखते हैं, जो आकाश मिश्रा। उनको आज एक येलो कार्ड आया था। आई जस्ट फेल्ट लाइक इट वाज अननेसेसरी येलो कार्ड। ही शुडंट हैव रियली मेड दैट टैकल। फेल्ट लिटिल बिट अननेसेसरी। और उनका उनका जो फॉल किया था, उसके वजह से 80th मिनट में गोल भी आया था। गोल भी हुआ था गोवा का। Overall, he had really good game. Like, I think he was making some excellent runs into their box. I think जैसे मैंने कहा था कि around like 49 50th minute पे आप जब देखोगे, he took the ball from the midfield and went between, like, I think three players or four players, like around something like that, and he put in the ball. I mean, it went a little bit wide, but it was a good attempt by him, like the kind of run he made. And defensively, again, he's been solid. Just हमने कहा था, like when Savic missed that shot, and Goa ने counter attack किया था, Akash Mishra was right there, and he was there quite a few times.
या और बहुत डिफेंस में बहुत पेस के साथ बहुत बीट किया है. जो भी राइट फ्लैंक पे थे अपने गोवा के,
Mm-hmm.
तो बहुत अच्छा खेला. डिफेंसिवली तो कुछ ऑलमोस्ट एरर ही नहीं करे.
बिल्कुल।
ऑलमोस्ट ब्रैंडन ब्रैंडन तो ऑलमोस्ट इनफेक्टिव थे फॉर 75-80 मिनट्स
Yeah.
ऑन द राइट साइड. तो या I would say very good performance. Going forward also, I think in the first half, in the first 15 minutes, he took a run
Yeah.
until the goal and he made a very bad shot. Keeping shot aside, it was a very good run.
Yeah.
So I would say 7.5 performance from him. Very good performance.
Yeah, I'll go with 7.5 too. I think जैसे आपने कहा था, like he made a run in the first half and took a bad shot. Second half में भी उन्होंने like बहुत बढ़िया run किया था. It was a little bit bad shot, but I think it made sense because his run actually really, like वो time पे कोई players around नहीं थे for him to put a ball, and he took his shot, but went a little bit wide, but it was the right decision. So overall, very
Yeah,
good with
and
it.
coming to the yellow card thing, sometimes you know foul just to show that you are the alpha male there in that position. तो ऐसे ही मतलब to scare the other guy also we make some fouls. तो चलता है एक आध फाउल तो ओवरऑल वेरी गुड परफॉर्मेंस फ्रॉम
या और चलो अभी आते हैं अपने दो सेंटर बैक्स के, शुरू करते हैं साना सिंह से. वेरी स्टेडी परफॉर्मेंस. आई थिंक ही मेड सम रियली गुड टैकल्स. आई थिंक एक था, आई थिंक किसने बॉल लूज किया था, उसे जाओ विक्टर ने जब
ऑर्टिस.
बॉल, जब जाओ विक्टर ने बॉल लूज किया था
हाँ
तो
मिस
ऑटिस,
पास कर दिया.
हाँ तो मिस
मिस
पास
पास
किया,
कर दिया.
या मिस पास किया था तो ऑटिस बॉल लेके पीछे आए थे एंड साना सिंह वाज राइट ओवर देयर with a really good tackle. He didn't look
Yeah.
like he was pressured much. Like he was pretty calm, steady, and dono center
He
back.
read his run. He read his run very well,
Yeah. So I'll go
and
with,
he blocked it.
yeah. So I'll go with 7 with him because I just felt like he was steady. He did what he was asked to do.
Yeah, 7. Ortiz mostly made his runs from the right side of Goa. So where Singlensana Singh was there,
Yeah.
and Angulo was mostly towards the left side of
Yeah.
गोवा साइड. तो राइट साइड से ही थोड़े अटैक्स आ रहे थे. तो ही प्लेड वेल. या 7.
Yeah. और उनके साथ पार्टनर कर रहे थे ओडेन इंडिया. So and again उनका भी solid performance था आज.
हाँ आज वो भी बहुत अच्छा खेले थे. ओनली थिंग आई थिंक अबाउट इट इज सेकेंड गोल में ही कुड हैव डन बेटर.
Yeah.
एंगुलो जब बॉल लेके आ रहे थे
Mhm.
ही मेड ए फॉरवर्ड रन और बॉल को मिस करके भी आगे चले गए थोड़ा. So I think he could have been more cautious there to just block the vision of Angulo probably.
Mhm.
तो उधर शायद वो अच्छा कर सकते थे. एंड ऑब्वियसली थोड़ा सा आशीष राय का भी डिफ्लेक्शन और गोल चले गया सेकंड वाला.
Yeah.
तो otherwise I would say very good performance also. सेकंड गोल में yes he could have done really well. तो मैं तो बोलता हूँ 6.5.
Yeah, I'll go with 6.5 too. I think he should have done a little bit better for the second goal. But yeah, overall, I think जैसे हम बोल रहे थे, very steady performance. So yeah, I'll go with 6.5. तो अभी आते हैं मिडफील्ड की तरफ. तो शुरू करते हैं पहले जाओ विक्टर से. I think one of the thing I think with Jaw Victor, he played good. I think एक misplaced pass जो था, like साना सिंह ने उनको बचाया था. And जब around after like जब around 80th minute, जब I think the first and second goal, pretty much you could see that when the second goal happened, you could see like he was slow a little bit in the midfield, and you could feel that.
फर्स्ट गोल में he was the one covering ईशान पंडिता
Yeah,
who won the header
yeah,
with Jao Victor. तो I think he could have also done better there. And वो मिस पास का थोड़ा गंदा हो गया था सीन. It would have been a dangerous situation for Hyderabad. But otherwise, very solid performance from him as usual.
yeah,
Very cool and calm uh, performance. Yeah.
yeah.
So I would say around 7 again.
I'll go with 6.5. I think थोड़ा बहुत I mean it was good, but I think जैसे आपने कहा था like एक थोड़ा बहुत mispass हुआ था that could have costed Hyderabad. फिर he should have done a little bit better with Ishan Pandita for his first goal. So yeah, so overall I think good, but few
No,
mistakes
I,
here and there.
I think वो नहीं वो फर्स्ट हाफ में जब सोविक एंड हितेश were really pressing the midfielders and attackers. I think Jao Victor was the one who was distributing the ball very well. तो उन्होंने ड्राइव किया था पूरा गेम को पूरा. He was an important part of the game. तो मुझे लगता है 7. He deserves 7.
Okay, चलो we'll go with the 7. तो अभी बात करते हैं सौविक चक्रवर्ती की. Good performance. He did what he had to do. जो yellow card मिला, it wasn't right. Unfortunately, it was a very bad yellow. It was not even a foul. Like he didn't deserve that. But that did create a problem. जिसके वजह से उनको निकाल देना पड़ा, because like he is one such player. Like he goes for pressing and obviously can create fouls. And agar if it was another foul, and that was like I think what went into coach mind, if it's another foul and he gets a second yellow, you will be 10 men down. So that will be a problem. इसलिए निकाल दिया था. But overall, he did what he was asked to do. But yeah, a few things is obviously he has to improve with his shots.
Yeah, so his primary role is to play a headless chicken role, to
Mhm.
run behind the ball, है ना.
Mhm.
तो जो डिफेंसिवली बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हैं, apart from the silly fouls that he makes, and for the yellow actually he was not to be blamed. वो तो बहुत लाइट टच था,
Yeah,
बट
बिल्कुल.
थोड़ा ओवर रिएक्ट कर दिया गोवा के प्लेयर ने, तो येलो कार्ड मिल गया उनको. या दैट यूजुअली हैपेंस इन गेम्स, बट येलो कार्ड उनका गलती नहीं था, बट अदरवाइज थोड़ा रैश चैलेंजेस ही कर रहे थे,
बिल्कुल
which you usually see when teams press. तो डिफेंसिवली वेरी गुड परफॉर्मेंस, पासेस डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन उतना अच्छा कर नहीं पाए। जैसे अपन बोल रहे थे कि हितेश को क्योंकि आगे डाले थे, हितेश वाज प्रेसिंग दी एट defense and midfielders of Goa, and usually many times ball came to Sovic and he couldn't, deliver better passes.
Sure.
And also both the set pieces में उनको चांस मिला और अच्छा नहीं कर पाए वो।
बिल्कुल,
तो
he should have
yeah,
done
I would
better
say
with both the set pieces.
हाँ, तो I would say, and also he played for around 65-70 minutes, तो मुझे
Yeah,
लगता
उनको
कि
64th मिनट में सब्स्टिट्यूट कर दिया था।
हाँ, तो 5.5 तक तो ठीक ही था, मतलब 5.5।
Yeah, I'll go with between 5.5 and 6. जैसे हमने कहा, like overall उन्होंने अच्छा किया, but I think those two shots जिसमें से one would have costed Hyderabad. Bit disappointing, but yeah, but he did what he had to do. Thing is, like I think one of the things Sovic has to improve is just make sure that he can play 90 minutes to give that performance.
या मैच्योर्ड परफॉर्मेंस होना चाहिए, ऐसा नहीं कि
बिल्कुल.
मतलब एक यंग लड़के को चांस दिया और वो प्रूव करना चाहता है,
Yeah.
तो इट लुक्स डेस्परेट परफॉर्मेंस फ्रॉम
Yeah, so it has to be a little bit
हिम।
more mature performance. He has to be a little bit
हाँ
careful with when he's pressing, so that he doesn't create more faults and doesn't, get that yellow card and put the pressure, and then that creates a pressure on manager to remove him.
या सो इफ दिस परफॉर्मेंस वाज फ्रॉम हितेश देन आई कुड हैव अंडरस्टूड कि ठीक है यंग लड़का है, डेस्परेशन में कर रहा है, बट चक्रवर्ती को थोड़ा मैच्योर परफॉर्मेंस देना चाहिए।
Yeah.
Not to take away whatever he has done in the match, he was very good with pressing. That apart, he should be a bit more mature and improve his ball distribution also.
Yeah. Oh yeah, that's absolutely. I think those shots taking, ball distribution. I think attacking side, like he has to work on it a little bit more. So yeah, we'll go with 5.5. All right. So देखते हैं अपने right की तरफ. So जोल केनिजी का पहला गेम था after almost 4 weeks. तो जैसे हमने कहा, like good performance, not much to see. थोड़ा बहुत rusty थे obviously because he hasn't played in almost 4 weeks now.
Yeah,
Yeah. So क्या कहते हो, कैसा था like overall performance?
मैं बोलता हूँ 5-5।
Okay.
जो भी मिला अच्छा, क्रिस्प रन्स मार रहे थे, थोड़ा ट्रबल दे रहे थे, बट फर्स्ट हाफ में चेंज हो गया, मे बी टू प्रिजर्व हिम, बट या 5 एवरेज, एवरेज नहीं बोल सकता, ठीक ही किए जो भी किए, he got the feel of the game.
Yeah, he basically got feel of the game. That's what I think is basically it looks like manager ka goal tha ki, like maybe if he can make a difference, great, but if he doesn't, I think he had a plan to just make sure that he get his feet wet and second half mein nikal denge karke.
Yeah,
Okay.
so I think he's posing a threat to Nikhil Pujari and Liston Kulasu now.
Yeah. और हितेश शर्मा?
Hitesh Sharma had a average game today.
Yeah.
तो उनका नॉर्मली थोड़ा क्लेवर गेम प्ले करते हैं, आज तो सिर्फ प्रेसिंग देखने मिला है और थोड़े क्लेवर पासेस आज देखने मिले भी नहीं, नॉर्मल गेम प्ले था, सो आई वुड से अगेन 5.5 फॉर हिम।
Yeah, I'll go with 5.5 क्योंकि एक जैसे मैंने कहा, like we didn't really get to see much of Hitesh today. Solid. I mean, he did his job, what he was asked to do. But I think
या
एक जगह पे I think I felt was like he should have made that run. Like if that was the thing that जब हमने बात किया था, it should have been interchange between Sovic and Hitesh क्योंकि अगर वो टाइम पे अगर Sovic रहते तो he would have definitely pressed the goalkeeper and that would have created a problem. But Hitesh just ran in a park. So I
या
think
इट्स नॉट हिज नेचर टू
it's not
डू
his
दैट, तो
nature. Yeah. So I think that's something. But I mean, it's not your nature, but I think that's something that you, as a player, you'll have to understand. Ki agar if you put in that role, you're supposed to do that.
या
Okay.
yes, as I said, sometimes it is instinctive, so it didn't happen to him that he should have done that, so
Yeah. All right. So चलते हैं हाली चरण की तरफ. Um, yeah. तो अच्छा performance था उनको. I think he played for almost like 80, 89 or 90 minutes तक. He made some few runs. Uh, Overall, I think he was pretty dangerous when he was getting there.
आई थिंक आज उनका डिफेंसिवली ज्यादा अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस था ऑफेंसिव से,
Mm-hmm.
तो मतलब ऑफेंस में ज्यादा कुछ कर नहीं पाए, आई डोंट थिंक आई सॉ मेनी गुड क्रॉसेस फ्रॉम हिम, एक दो बीच में से शॉट्स लिए शायद, बट अदरवाइज क्वाइट डे फॉर हिम इन टर्म्स ऑफ अटैकिंग, तो या आई वुड से, बट डिफेंसिवली तो बहुत अच्छा पार्टनरशिप करे थे आकाश मिश्रा के साथ। लेफ्ट साइड को पूरा ब्लॉक करके रखा था आकाश मिश्रा और इन्होंने,
Yeah,
हालीचरण ने। सो आई वुड से 7 फॉर हिम।
yeah, I'll go with 7 too. Alright, so अभी आते हैं अपने striker की तरफ. I think personally for me, अगर even if it would have been a draw, I Aridane should have been a man of the match for me. I think overall his performance, just not his goal, but the way he was tracking back in the ball in the midfield, and also like he was helping in the defense, and he took his goal really well. And also like जहाँ पे एक shot जहाँ पे like goalkeeper ने हाथ डाला था, I think it was a really good shot. So yeah, I think Aridane was like all over the pitch in that aspect. उनका बहुत बढ़िया गेम था.
या सो इवन इफ इट इज अ लॉस, ही इज माय मैन ऑफ द मैच आज का,
बिल्कुल.
because there is nothing he did not do today. There is nothing he did not do. He distributed the ball very well. He tracked back very well. He helped the midfielders very well. He defended very well.
He
He
made his
converted the
he
chance
made
he
his runs
got.
in the box really good too.
Yeah, he made the runs. He took the shots. Right? On goal, shots on goal भी आज बहुत मारे थे ये.
Yeah,
Uh, Out of position से, which is why he couldn't convert probably. So for me, he is the man of the match for today's game.
yep. I'll go with the rating of 9.5. Like he's perfect. Like he
No,
did
no, no.
everything right.
I would say 8.5. तो
No,
8.5 ठीक है मेरे लिए.
I think at least I'll go with 9. Nothing less than that. Because he didn't put he did what he did more than what he was asked to do. Like he did everything right. So
Yes, agreed. And also, if you remember, we thought maybe he will be rested for this game,
yeah, that's
but
one of
he
the thoughts
came
we
in
had.
and put that performance. So yeah, I can agree with your 9. Yes.
Yeah, anything less than 9 would be pretty insult for him. All right.
Yeah, he.
So let's look at our substitutes. So one of the first substitutes जैसे हम बोल रहे थे कियानीजी को निकाल के आए थे यासिर. Uh, Made some good runs. I think एक अच्छा shot लिया. I mean, uh, made some good runs, but I don't think like I was overall impressed with him, and I could see why Yasir was not really started because एक तो उन्होंने like जहाँ पे हमने बोला था कि Aridane made like a really good run, and he kept looking towards Yasir to put that ball in, and Yasir ने थोड़ा late डाला, and by the time he put in, it was offside, and you could see like Aridane was able to get that, and unfortunately it was offside, clean offside. And I think एक जगह पे around like between I think 80th minute पे कुछ जब Fran Sandaza जब like he was running into the thing and Yasir had an opportunity. Yasir went for like a harder option to take the shot himself instead of making that pass. So I think it was a little bit you could see like he still has to work on those things.
Yeah, तो शॉट अच्छा था, not to take away that from him.
Yeah,
शॉट तो
shot
बहुत अच्छा
बिल्कुल
शॉट
अच्छा
था,
था, but I think
जस्ट में मिस हुआ.
yeah, no, shot बिल्कुल अच्छा था, but what I expect is a player from that caliber to actually make a better decision. Like, do you want to take a harder shot or you want to make an easy pass to see like the other person can get that opportunity? So I think he had to. You basically have to judge that. Like, not it was close or not. That's fine, but at the end of the day, you have to see like how you can go, and that's something I think he has to learn that.
Yeah, so at that moment, see, when you are in his shoe, probably you might have thought that you have a better chance because you have a good left foot. Instead of passing to Fran Sandaza from in between two defenders and then for Sandaza to convert it, maybe he thought his left foot was good enough to take that shot and probably convert. But I see no harm in taking that shot. But yeah, passing it to Sandaza would have been good. And apart from that shot, I don't really see anything worthwhile for him from him today.
Yeah.
Some good runs and that one shot. That's it.
Yeah, some good runs he
Average.
made. He got the ball like when he came in the second half, like with the pressing and all that was going on, he was able to like get the collect the ball and all that. But yeah, overall not much to do. That's one some of the things that he has to work on, like trying to see where the players are so that he can put in better crosses and all that. I'll
Yeah.
go with 5.
5, agreed, 5. Yeah.
Okay, so second आए थे substitute थे लुइस शास्त्री. और ये आए थे सौविक के बजाय सौविक चक्रवर्ती को निकाल दिया था वो टाइम पे. So Luis Sastre ka, I think he looked very sluggish performance. He took a really one good shot from outside in the dying minutes में, but he was responsible
Outside
for
में था, inside इनसाइड पेनल्टी स्पॉट ही था, बट फ्रॉम सम
Yeah, from
25
inside the
yards like
box,
it
like
went.
yeah, thought about like it went out, and on
Yeah,
top of that, like he was responsible for the second goal where he lost the ball in the midfield, and he was too slow to track at that time.
yeah. So was second goal it was? Yeah, second goal के लिए he was the one to blame to lose the ball.
Yeah.
And tracking back, we know that he is not very fast,
Hmm.
है ना? तो tracking back तो उनसे expected भी नहीं था, but maybe he could have done better. He could have done better to stop the opponent from taking the ball from him. तो yeah, otherwise nothing much to see because कितना 20 मिनट मिला था इनको खेलने,
Like
I
he
guess.
came in at 64th minute, so he had about like good 30 minutes.
Yeah, 30 minutes. So yeah, so I think 5.5.
Yeah, 5.5. I think I'll go with 5 because I think he's partly responsible for the second goal, so I'll go with 5.
No, I think otherwise, when he came in, I think the passing and everything became better. So that wise, I think the game was improved. But defensive error एक हो गया बस. Otherwise, 5.5 तो I think
Okay.
ठीक है.
Alright, तो वो थे सेकेंड सब्स्टिट्यूट. फिर आए थर्ड सब्स्टिट्यूट जो थे संडाजा, और ये आए थे हितेश के इंस्टेड ऑफ हितेश. You could see थोड़ा बहुत rustiness था इनके गेम में भी. Like first few minutes he wasn't able to much connect with Akash Mishra, क्योंकि Akash Mishra, I think he kind of got some good balls and he tried to put him in, but uh, once or two, I think twice उन्होंने lose कर दिया था. So wasn't really in the gear in the first at least 10 minutes or so. फिर like around 85th minute he actually kind of grew into the game.
या सो रस्टीनेस से ज्यादा मैं बोलूंगा कि इनको अभी आदत हो रहा है. दिस इज हिज सेकंड गेम.
Yeah,
पिछले गेम में 5-6 मिनट खेला था, वो भी राइट साइड पे.
बिल्कुल.
और इस बार थोड़ा राइट लेफ्ट में मूव हो रहे थे, तो इट टेक सम टाइम टू नो योर प्लेयर्स आल्सो हु आर प्लेइंग अराउंड यू. तो शायद उधर थोड़ा मिसकम्युनिकेशन हो गया होगा. तो आई वुडंट फॉल्ट हिम. मे बी इट वुड टेक सम टाइम टू गेट यूज्ड टू योर टू द प्लेयर्स अराउंड यू. तो उधर शायद एक आध वो हो गया होगा. वरना अदरवाइज लेटर ऑन आफ्टर 5 मिनट्स ही पिक्ड अप एंड ही प्लेड वेरी वेल. 2 शॉट्स तो ले लिए शायद इन्होंने जब से आए थे.
Yeah.
तो एंड बोथ ऑफ देम वेर ऑन टारगेट. और
Yeah.
अच्छे शॉट्स थे, बहुत अच्छे. सो दैट इज व्हाट वी आर एक्सपेक्टिंग फ्रॉम द अटैकिंग प्लेयर्स.
So rating क्या
आई
देते हैं आप?
आई थिंक 5.5 फॉर हिम आल्सो. 10-15 मिनट्स खेले, ज्यादा नहीं
Yeah,
खेला तो.
5.5 makes sense. ज्यादा से ज्यादा इनको 20 मिनट एट मैक्स मिला होगा खेलने के लिए. और
या
लास्ट में आए थे अभिषेक हल्दर, हालीचरण को निकाल के. तो I
आई
don't
वुडंट
think,
रेट हिम.
yeah, so I
हाँ,
don't think there's anything to rate. He came in at 89th minute. So
या
yeah, there's not much to rate. But yeah, that said, there's few things Hyderabad has to work on now. So a little bit disappointing for Hyderabad to lose the game, but Goa again, जैसे हमने कहा था, like they're dangerous in like last 10 minutes, and they scored the goal again.
You don't give teams like Goa a chance at any moment. So that backfired to Hyderabad. I think more than disappointing, it was heartbreaking even for Manolo,
Hmm.
because after such good 80 minutes, you cannot expect to lose in this manner.
Yeah.
तो पता नहीं और क्या बेटर कर सकते हैं. तो लेट्स सी.
I
एक
think
जगह बेटर कर सकते हैं. शॉट्स अगर आप अच्छा
shots,
करोगे,
बिल्कुल shots,
ज्यादा
shots एक
गोल्स
जगह है
मिलेंगे.
where they'll have to
या
improve. बिल्कुल shots they have to improve, and the second thing I see is also like they have to make some personal changes. Like who's going to be that person who's going to be taking shots from outside? Like thoda opportunities. Like you have to create that problem to the goalkeeper. And second thing is like what you played for the first 80 minutes. You should continue that for the last. Like that should be a 90 minutes of the game. Beach mein like it felt like Hyderabad just forgot to play the game in last 10-15 minutes.
या बिकॉज दे बिकेम डिफेंसिव ना.
Yeah,
दे बिकेम डिफेंसिव विद ऑफेंसिव प्लेयर्स.
yeah,
आपके पास थे अरिडाने, आपके पास थे संडाजा, आपके पास थे यासिर, राइट.
yeah.
हालीचरण भी ऑलमोस्ट सेकंड गोल के लिए थे नहीं, आई थिंक. और फर्स्ट गोल के लिए भी थे कि नहीं मुझे एग्जैक्टली याद नहीं है।
या हाली चरण थे।
हाँ, फर्स्ट गोल के लिए शायद थे, सेकंड गोल के लिए शायद नहीं थे। तो यू हैड अटैकिंग प्लेयर्स एंड यू आर डिफेंडिंग,
Yeah, so
राइट?
yeah,
So
you have to.
instead of Abhishek Haldar, you could have brought in some Adil Khan
नहीं,
kind of guy
नहीं,
who
जब
could
तक
defend.
अभिषेक हल्तर आए थे सेकंड गोल हो गया था।
हो गया था क्या?
Yeah. अभिषेक हल्दर आए
अ,
थे 79th, सॉरी 89th मिनट में, और इनका गोल हुआ था थिंक अराउंड 88th मिनट। तो गोल होने के बाद आई थिंक अभिषेक हल्दर को लेके आया था।
ओके ओके, तो ठीक है। नहीं, अभिषेक आने के बाद ही हुआ सेकंड गोल।
ओ हाँ, यस राइट, यू राइट, सेकंड गोल अभिषेक आने के बाद हुआ
या
था।
तो आई थिंक ऑलरेडी विन जो हो सकते थे मैच वो ड्रॉ हो रहा था,
बिल्कुल।
एंड यू ब्रॉट इन ए प्लेयर हु वाज नॉट यू नो इनटू द गेम। उनको ज्यादा प्लेइंग टाइम भी नहीं मिला था सो दैट ही कुड अफेक्ट
Yeah.
द गेम। ठीक है, तो आई डोंट नो व्हाट मेड हिम मेक दैट चेंज, बट इट वाज नॉट अ गुड चेंज।
Yeah, so another loss for Hyderabad, three straight losses. But that said, Hyderabad का अगला game है चेन्नई के against, so it's going to be Chennai versus Hyderabad on Monday, 4th January, 7:30 बजे शाम को. That said, we'll wrap up today's session. Naval, very happy New Year. मिलते हैं अगले साल में. And yeah, we'll come back with our pre-game video for Chennai versus Hyderabad. Thank you.
Sure, happy new year to you too and all the listeners who are listening to this podcast.
Yes, all our subscribers too. Thank you very much for subscribing to us and keep bringing your questions. And yeah, we'll see you in next year.
Not only subscribers, viewers as well.
Absolutely. Yours too.
Yeah, thank you all, bye.
Thank you.